Hello friends, I hope you're quite well. Today I have Flare mockup photo bundle. These files in JPG, special use for Photoshop user. So simply just use magic tool and import your designs, flares or your photo like poster. For example, I drag this file to Photoshop, and firstly I tell you this file resolution is 4. MB size is 4.60 MB size, and 4887 is resolution by 32 and 37. Amazing. So just first click on unlock, and then click magic tool to select this area. Magic tool select auto means same color. For example, select here, magic tool select same color, and click here, magic tool select same color, click here, and magic tool select same color. So we need this path, and click here and then click backspace, remove this area, and we need a photo or poster, but I have some photos of girls or posters office girls. So for example, I try this photo and just simply drag there. I know this photo is 1080, but this file is high definition. First I show you the resolution of flares. You can see, very easy, very simple. Just click on black area and then click backspace, import your photo, and rotate your up down your layer. Second option is, sorry for background voice, now I am at home. Here is very easy, just unlock layer, then click magic tool in black area, and then click backspace, remove back area, and then import your any photo or poster, drag there, enter, press shift, enter, and you see there. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Love you.